to automatically disconnect mobile hotspot when it's idle for a certain period in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap mobile hotspot and tethering, tap mobile hotspot, tap configure, and then tap advanced to see more options. Next, tap turn off when no device connected for, and then select the desired period. As the example, we will select 10 minutes. Next, tap save button to save the change. Now when there is no device connected to your mobile hotspot for 10 minutes, your phone will turn off your mobile hotspot automatically. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.